Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to add debit or credit card on Amazon. So first you need to tap Amazon Shopping app. Tap the three lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap the account icon at the bottom right corner. Scroll down until you see your payments. Then tap it. After that, tap Add Payment Method. Tap Add a credit or debit card. Then, after that, type in your card number, expiration date, name on card, and then tap Add and Continue. So that's how to add debit or credit card on Amazon account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button or click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.